There is like too much noise right now, and I strongly believe that you won't be able to hear anything. But I am here inside the Shri Gopal Ji ka Mandir, and I want to show you guys how beautiful the Rolls-Royce Holi is in Kolkata. This is not a very popular event, this is not a very mainstream event, but this is going to be an amazing event, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. So I have arrived in Howrah, near the Ashoka Hotel actually, and I arrived in this mandir from where we will start this Rolls-Royce Holi celebration. And I'm here with a very good photographer friend of mine, Shovik. If you do not follow him yet on Instagram, you should go and check him out right now. I'll put a link in the description. I've done that before, I'll do it again. But for now we are going to, find some food. Rally has just started, and this is starting from Howrah near the Ashoka Hotel, and this will go on till Bada Bazaar. So we are going to follow it. Shovik is here, he's going to click some amazing pictures. I'm going to try and shoot some nice videos out here. Really pumped. I'm really hoping that I make a nice video out of this. I strongly believe it is going to be impossible for me to record the audio nicely. This video is only about the video and extremely less about the audio. So deal with it, can't help it, trying to do as much as possible. Also, I have a very nice photographer friend of mine. If you guys don't know him, his name is Shinwantu. Same college, junior guy, very nice. away from the crowd right now because there are like too many people and there are like too many cars out here. And the heat is like extreme right now. So I really do not want to sweat it out before we reach the better place where they do all the crazy things. So having a nice time. I really think you're missing this out this year, but make it a point to come and see this next year. They have been doing this for the past 3 years. This is their 4th time, I believe so, and I'm going to have a really nice time out here. Happy Holi guys! A lot of good wishes for this Holi. Last year almost no one could celebrate Holi, but this year I really wish from the bottom of my heart to everyone a very happy Holi, and I really hope whatever plans you have for this year it comes true, and I really hope whatever plans I have for this year it also comes true. Happy Holi! The kind of experience I'm having here is totally unbelievable actually, and I don't know if anyone has ever had anything like this. The place has changed. They are doing so many crazy kind of stuff out here. Different colors, blue, yellow, pink, and whatsoever you can think of. It's a totally mind-blowing experience, I'm telling you guys. Next year, this is... I really want everyone to come and experience this. Really sorry about the audio. I do not have a good mic. I cannot help it. So it's just not about the people who are organizing and the people who are coming to celebrate. It's about the people in the locality as well. As you can see, there are people out there in the balconies and in the terrace. They are making videos and also they are playing with the people out here as well. So it's quite a celebration, and I think everyone knows this. Holi in India is a different kind of celebration altogether. Although we have a lot of celebrations, but Holi is an entirely different kind of celebration, and this is where everything is like sane. Nothing is insane. Everything is sane. because when you are out trying to, you know, play Holi and get as colorful as possible, there is nothing better option than white, and my orange shoes are gone as well. I'm really overwhelmed that I'm here and I'm getting to experience this, really. So we have just reached Bada Bazar area. আমি জানি না এখান থেকে আর কতটা যাবে না যাবে, বাট আমি আর কতটা যাবো, that is the main question, because now I feel tired. সকাল থেকে ফুটবল খেলছি and all that. The celebration is actually going on with the same amount of energy and with the same amount of happiness among everyone, and it's I don't have the right adjective to describe it, but this is out of the world. Want to go along with the rally anymore because it's almost 12 in the afternoon and I have been out since 6 o'clock in the morning. Now I can feel the tiredness and all the heat and everything. Basically, the deal is that we have reached Bada Bazar. I don't know whether they are going to go back to the mandir or, you know, the starting point, but my bike is parked there, so I have to like find Shobik. That's the most important thing that I need to do right now. Need to find Shobik, and both of us, we're gonna walk back to the mandir, take the bike and get home. Hoping that you guys have enjoyed watching the video, whatever you have seen, and really had a lot of fun while doing this. আমাদেরকে অন্য একটা হেঁটে যেতে হবে। আসার সময় একটা এক্সাইটমেন্ট ছিল টু ফলো দ্য পিপল অ্যান্ড অল, বাট এখন যাওয়ার সময় এক্সাইটমেন্টটা অতটা থাকবে না। অ্যান্ড yes bro, and because the distance is long, it is going to yes मेरे ऊपर नहीं फेंकोगे ना?
नहीं फेंकेंगे।
मत फेंको।
यस सर।
What is your name?
तनिष। क्या यूट्यूब पे चैनल है आपका?
हाँ यूट्यूब, हाँ अभी देखोगे। मेरा नाम अनुराग है, ANURAAG।
चैनल का नाम अनुराग सेज।
अनुराग सेज। ये क्या है, किसको मारोगे तुम? मारो, देख लेते हैं। along with Shobik, I also met Shinwantu, and this is Shobik's friend. His name is Aviru. He has his own Instagram where he uploads his crazy pictures and all that, whatever he clicks. And you're going to see a lot of pictures of this place as well. So go ahead and check it out. Link will be in the description. And his link will be also in the description. The real boss.
Let me.
Boss is flop. Check them out, guys, and thank you so much for all the support that you have been giving to my channel. And please, 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 I really need more of, you know, all the support and all the like, share and engagement that I get from you guys. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. We are going back to the mandir right now, so I'll go. We have a long distance to walk, so I'll directly go there and I'll see you there. I think this will be the end for this video, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed watching it. Have a look around of the place again, the temple. So they are cleaning it right now, and this is a very vast temple, and I'm really thankful to them, and we should actually be thankful to them because they are organizing such a beautiful event for the people of Kolkata and for themselves as well. Really had a very nice time, and really hoping that you guys have also enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it and being a part of it. I really think you should go ahead and, you know, give a thumbs up to the video. Comment down your thoughts, like whatever thoughts you have regarding the video, please comment it down. And finally, if you are not subscribed and if you are seeing my video for the very first time, now is the best time for you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't think twice, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button.